Hi, my name is Mike Lewis, and I'm with Isogenics, and I want to express and explain what my why is. Um, I started work when I was 13 years old. I had a variety of different jobs. I've worked everything from a car mechanic to a landscaper, fast food, you name it, pretty much I've done it. And doing those type of jobs, I always realized that that did not feel like the life for me. I was basically trading my time for money, and I felt like my mind would wander when I was out on a job, and I would always feel like something was not right. I felt like my life needed to be something more than just getting up, going to work, studying, and then coming home. I wanted to have a life that I was proud of, a life that had more excitement. Oftentimes, when we work in jobs, we already know the outcome. You're going to work the 40 hours a week, you're going to get your paycheck, and then you're going to pay your bills, and that's pretty much it. And that's what our school system is telling us is the secure route and the smart route to go, is to live like that. But I had something happen to me twice in my life that made me feel like I'll never put myself in a position to be in that position again. Number one, I got fired, or I got laid off. I got laid off the 2 days after we returned back to work from our holiday break. I would distinctly remember being in a room, everyone was called in, and pretty much management coming in and basically saying, tomorrow, 70% of you don't show back up. And at that moment, I had the room just bust out in tears. We had people there that was there for 15 years, 20 years, 30 years, people that are in the middle of trying to get their families to school and trying to pay for education, and people helping out their other family members to find out a day that they were no longer employed at the company. And at that time, a lot of people had to evaluate what their skill set was, what they could do to make money, or try to replace that type of income, which was a really good paying income job. The second thing that happened to me that was really major, that made me really consider Isogenics, was I got fired on my day off. I started to dream more. I started to think that, maybe one day I could have my own business and do something that I wanted. And the owner of the company kind of took aback, got taken aback by that concept, and he wanted to fire me before I became some type of competition. To make a long story short, it's really, really important to have a system to rely on yourself to build your own financial goals, your own financial freedom, so you can live the life that you want. I've been blessed enough to be a stay-at-home dad for several years now, and I've enjoyed it every day of my life. And going back to work, I wanted to make sure that I did something once I did go back to work, that it was something that I was passionate about, something that would have given me the lifestyle that I wanted when I wanted, so I can have more freedom in my life. And when I really thought about it, I said, you know what? I wanted to do something that I was passionate about. And what I'm passionate about is helping other people have the best fitness level and best health that they can possibly have. Fitness and health is important no matter what industry you're in. If you can't get out of bed, you can't make money. You can't make any money if you can't get out of bed. So helping people live longer, happier lives is very, very important to me. Lastly, by being on Isogenics, it really changed my life. I have always been a gym rat. I live in a gym. I built my own gym inside of my home. I train professional athletes, amateur athletes. I train white-collar boxers to just the stay-at-home mom that wants to get in better shape. And one thing that I've realized is that my nutrition is critical. I have to have a high level of energy. I have to have the right type of fuel to really fuel my body. And I did not feel in good conscience, good about preaching one thing about health and fitness and then living a different way. So it wasn't until I found Isogenics that I noticed that my energy level was way up. I ended up losing like 7 pounds in 10 days because I took out a lot of the crap that I was eating and replaced it with a nutritious meal system that allows me to push my bodies to the limits every day and not crash. And I was looking for something like that. There's a lot of different products out there. There's a lot of different companies. But when you look at Isagenix as a whole, and you look at Isagenix as far as what they offer to a large variety of people, hands down, Isagenix is the best business out there. So I encourage you guys, if you're looking at this video, if you know someone, don't be shy. Help someone. Help give somebody the gift of life, and do everything you can to make sure that your financial freedom is in your own hands. Design your own life. This is Mike Lewis. I'm out.